So we're headed into PetSmart to see if we can find Indiana his new little doggy bed. All right, Indy, you get to pick out your own bed. You want that one? Here, you want this one? Want that bed? Come on, try it out. Come on, lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down. What do you guys think? Give a thumbs up if you think Indy should get this bed. Indiana, what do you think? You like that bed? You like that bed? Come see him. And there's the old bed. It came out of a camper that we don't even own anymore. I think it's a couple months past due, but either way, Indy is hooked up.
You have to take a Bible class. Right now she's taking Old Testament. But yeah, she said that's a requirement. You can't go to school there. She said whether you believe or you don't believe, she goes, you better believe because you have to take some Bible classes while you're there. That's part of their curriculum to graduate.
That's
so
pretty
she
cool.
really likes it.
So one of the projects I wanted to get done while my dad was here is getting these Nilight LEDs installed in the bed. So often now we're setting up and tearing down and it's dark, middle of the night, and guys, I need some light in here. It wasn't too long ago we were just installing these little lights down here. And now, friends, it's time for some light here. So I went back to Nilight. I really like them. These lights are holding up really well. And so I'm gonna put a link to these in the description below. But friends, I can't wait to show you how good these lights are gonna be. Now, the good thing is I already had these lights on the back. So I used to have a headache rack and I had these older model lights right here. These were already installed and I have a switch inside. If you guys watch that video, you'll see that I have the switch control inside the truck over by the drink holders. So I already have an on and off switch. I just have to put a ground in. But here in a few minutes, we're going to be taping these things up. They come with some double-sided sticky tape already installed, and so you just peel it back. We went ahead and put some of this denatured alcohol on it. And so we've got it cleaned and drying, and now I think we're gonna get this thing done.
Hey everybody.
So let's get back to you guys here in a few minutes once we got them installed and blow your minds with just how bright these are. Right now we are rocking the Big Larry. That's this guy here. I'll put a link to this as well. This thing is lighting up that whole world. And this would be fine. This is what we've been doing. This got us through. But as again, you know, we like gear on this channel. We like getting stuff like that. So we want to make sure and just make it convenient and easy. And so that's what we're going to do by just one little click of the switch. And this whole thing is going to be lit up like you wouldn't believe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's exactly it. If everything's wired up right, it's going to go on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you do it?
Yeah, I did it.
So what I think's happening and I hope's happening is we need to press this little button. So turn that one off, Dad. All right, so I think it was just that little button. So let's try it again. Go for it. There it is, friends.
Looks like Las Vegas.
That is just too much. Look at that bright line popping. eBay popping, extension cord popping.
Lord have mercy.
Looks like a dead buddy and they're popping. That's awesome. Check that out.
Oh man.
Woo!
That looks like Vegas.
That's too good.
Oh.
I could get to anything and everything. Check it out, guys. I love it. I love it. Again, if you want a set of these, I'm going to drop a link to them in the description below. Friends, if you have a truck or something that you need hooked up, I just can't rave enough about these things. They take up no energy, they're on LEDs, and they're super cheap. And in like 20 minutes, it comes with everything you need to hook it up to your battery and a fuse, and you are good to go. So thanks so much for helping me out on another project. We've been doing this for 30-something years now.
Yeah, a while.
This was a good one.